Maryland's most accurate forecast.
All right, let's take a look at Maryland's most powerful weather radar. We have a line of some dangerous thunderstorms now moving into Harford County. So from Pilesville, you get just outside of Jarrettsville and then through Foxwood down towards Kingsville. Tremendous amount of cloud-to-ground lightning ongoing. This is going to make a run into Asbury Road, Gibson Road, Blake Drive. Bel Air starting to see the outer fringe of the storm. But look at the lightning pulsating out, heading towards Aberdeen. So we're talking over 1,000 cloud-to-ground lightning bolts every 15 minutes, and this line goes right down towards Perry Hall and White Marsh. So you're starting to see already some lightning being detected in your northern sky around White Marsh, and even as far down towards Parkville. If we time these storms out, or this line of storms, it's moving from Middle River right now, Delta right now, Bullish Quarters around 550, and then you'll get into Aberdeen, Perryman, and also Darlington around 6 o'clock. So when we're in focus, we are going to be addressing the idea of more gusty showers and storms moving towards the eastern shore. Severe thunderstorm watch up for the entire ABCG viewing area until 9 o'clock, so we are going to be dealing with these storms for several more hours. And take a look at the shot in Bel Air right now. Winds are starting to whip around. We are seeing some hail being detected in Bel Air, and look how the clouds are starting to lower, an indication the severe weather or the severe storm is now arriving in downtown Bel Air. It's 91 at the airport where there's no precipitation falling. Dew point up to 75. That's making heat index or the real field temperature come in at 103 degrees. It's 93 downtown. As you get up towards Cockeysville, it's 83 degrees because of the rain. And again, when you factor in the humidity, we're feeling well up into the single digits. Feels like it's 110 in Essex, feeling like 103 in Hanover. First round of energy coming through right now, and then more energy sitting back out towards the west. That's a system we're going to have to contend with for your day on Thursday. In fact, future weather showing that line coming in as early as 7 o'clock tomorrow evening, going right into Thursday night before we push everything offshore. And then by the 4th of July Friday, we look pretty good. Lots of sunshine, and that should segue right into 4th of July night for the festivities downtown. Here's Tropical Storm Arthur now starting to notice an eye beginning to form with the storm. A lot of convection on the northwest quadrant of the system. That's an indication that Arthur is becoming or on its way to becoming Hurricane Arthur, and I think that may happen by ABC2 News at 11 o'clock. Latest coordinates from the Hurricane Center, winds at 70 miles per hour. It's moving to the north now at 6, so it's starting to accelerate some, and it's sitting just towards the north-northeast of Miami Beach, 279 miles. Now, here's the track from the Hurricane Center. This is the updated 5 o'clock track. It's going to take it just off of the Outer Banks of North Carolina. It's going to be around 300 miles off of our beaches as a Category 1, perhaps Category 2 hurricane, depending on how fast this storm intensifies. National Hurricane Center has it winds at around 85 miles per hour before it pushes up towards the north. So, showers and thunderstorms for tonight, some of which could be very strong and very severe. Here's the 7-day forecast. Tomorrow is just an ugly day. It's going to stay humid. We'll forecast a high of 87 degrees, drenching downpours again, strong to severe storms possible. As we get into the 4th of July on Friday, I forgot the fireworks, my apologies. We look good. Blend of sunshine and clouds in the city. Might be overcast conditions along the beachfront, and there's going to be a breeze picking up. Let me reiterate. Arthur is not going to hit anything, despite what maybe some people are saying. Arthur's going to stay offshore. What's happening right now has nothing to do with Arthur, but it's the silent effects that are going to impact Ocean City and Rehoboth and Dewey and Lewis Beach in the form of rip currents.
So we need to worry about riptides there.
And rough surf. So you might have to stay out of the ocean. There's going to be a lot of yellow and red flags flying this weekend.
Better safe than sorry.
There you go.
All right, thanks a lot, Mike.
Well,